Hi guys, POPOT, and now we are into the green fans, and today we're starting a ceiling fan today. Match. That's easy to hollow joint to make. Like, there's something fun. One, two, three. Speed 3, but this is a fan, but it's not a motor. So electricity up, some water flash, the fan look guys so much. It's not a color vegetable fan here. Our green always. And then they'll push the button. That was naughty. And server on. He doesn't look like moving.
Perfect.
Perfect. Drive set in motion, dear. This is speed. Ah, this fan. I can remember invincible fan. What is disrupted? Second in the motor now. This is where you stuck under molding fan. Yeah, he's strangely not moving anything. Or this the Bolton fan. The Militanton's cut. Yeah, this is embarrassing. One. Right, this is funny. You can't look spin like anymore. Green. Right. He's strangely not look green like in the same. Here. They look like also here. Yeah, let's turn it to yellow too. That's my color, favorite color. So bye. Alright, here's Joined, but yeah. Hello. We got a ceiling fan distractions. But yes. Look, he's drawing. Just drawing. Look.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's doing something.
Look at here, he's drawing. Join. Let's all start the fans here. Yeah, look at this other place. Yeah, perfect.
May pigsa. Sabi mo.
Alright. That's connected by surface here. Yeah, turn yellow. I turn color right now. Yeah, this is falling. I never see this fan sighted mode. Where would they go here? Just like an honest. Great fan. That's easy to control it. Maybe let's make a secret. Rainbow blades of the fan. I dreamed that before. Yeah, this is spin like so. Bye.